For this short video, I'll be sharing with you how I changed the band strap of my Garmin Forerunner 235. So I bought two colors in Shopee, one white and the other one is in army green, black. They say it's that color, so I'll be using the green one. So you can see my straps are all dirty and old. This has been 2 to 3 years, I guess. So I think it's time to change them now. The straps that I bought from Shopee includes two screwdrivers. So to change the bands, you have to unscrew on both sides, and you have to use both screwdrivers to loosen because they're like interconnected with each other. And from there, the process is just fast and simple. Ta-da! That fast. I have my new band strap for my Garmin. It only cost me around $4 to $5 per strap. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.